maybe a zip tie instead.
Fish. We must battle the zip tie. We must battle it. Fight it. Beat it up.
How much attack damage does it have?
Too much. It's your turn. It's your turn. I'm brutally injured. It's your turn. Fight the zip tie. Fight the zip tie. Hurry, hurry. I'm dying on the floor. Fight the zip tie.
Ah, fuck! It burped on me, bro.
Oh, you got poison damage. Hurry, do something before you die. Oh shit! No!